In the bustling community of Kiama Downs, a common issue that many homeowners face is the dreaded broken spring in garage doors. These crucial components bear the brunt of daily wear and tear, and over time can snap, making your garage door stubbornly difficult to lift or, at times, completely immobile. But don't let a broken spring disrupt your day. If you're struggling with a heavy or uncooperative garage door, it's time to call in the experts. Dial 040-977-4111 to connect with qualified professionals who specialize in swift, reliable garage door repairs. Don't wait. Ensure your garage door is safe and fully functional today.